In this video, you will learn how to print a report. On your diagrams drawing page, click on Reports and then Print Report. A selection of options that you want included in the report and their order will pop up. Select the ones you want to see and move them around to your desired order. Click Advanced to see more customizable options like the username you see at the bottom of each page, the orientation of portrait or landscape, whether you want the diagram in one page, whether to include the legend, how big you want the diagram displayed, and some cut sheet options as well. Click Back and then Done. The report will be generated with information about the cut sheet, the diagram and its seams, the information by room, and the estimate summary, which includes the product, quantity, linear length, and waste ratio. If you click the gear icon on the upper right, you can save to another app, like copying it to the drive. You can also go back into settings and change what you want viewed. If you want to share or print it, you will go to Upload as you did with the worksheet.